Imagine a world engulfed by perpetual storms, burning in flames, and containing an exotic and mysterious substance that can be an invaluable energy source. That is the fictional world of Rubicon 3 in the famous Armored Core franchise. But what if I told you that such an exotic world isn't so far-fetched? In this video, I'm going to talk about the strange and alien nature of our universe and how some cosmic secrets bridge the gap between the real and the science fiction worlds, like the Rubicon planet. So stay tuned until the end if you don't want to miss this. Now, back to the fascinating world of Rubicon 3, where the mysterious substance known as coral promises technological marvels, energy sources, faster than light travel, and communication beyond our wildest dreams. But this comes at a cost, as the same coral later becomes the cause of the perpetual storms, flames, and a burning star system. Fictional, yes, but it mirrors our quest for breakthroughs. There's a lot more going on in the game, but I'm here only to talk about the intriguing planet Rubicon 3. So how does this relate to our real universe? You see, fiction is almost always rooted in some kind of reality. Game of Thrones is basically the War of the Roses with dragons, and the three-body problem uses real, complex scientific concepts to tell a cosmic horror story. The same is the case with Armored Core, which uses the unknown, mysterious nature of our universe to create a world that is fantastical yet believable. Just like this fictional world, where the planet Rubicon is defined by its extreme environment and the presence of an unbelievably powerful energy source, our universe hosts planets that are just as extreme, if not more. Humanity has always looked up to the stars in awe and wondered what else could be out there. In our search for the secrets of the universe, we've come a long way, and while we are far away from learning everything about the universe, even if such a thing is possible, astronomers have discovered amazing planets with unbelievable conditions that might seem right out of a science fiction book. Planets such as super-Earths with searing temperatures, gas giants with raging storms, and icy worlds enshrouded in a cold white cover. And some of these planets can, in fact, easily be mistaken for Rubicon 3. Before we continue about these amazing planets, hit the subscribe button to stay updated with exciting cosmic news. Now, with that out of the way, let's introduce you to some planetary phenomenon that you're not going to believe exists in our universe. We don't have to go far. In our solar system, we have planets that have perpetual storms brewing on the surface, just like in the fictional world of Rubicon. The best example of this is Jupiter's Great Red Spot. It's a massive storm raging on the planet's surface for at least 400 years. At about 10,159 miles in width, this storm is large enough to fit a planet bigger than Earth. What's more, the winds inside this storm could reach speeds of up to 268 miles an hour. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi story, right? But hold on, there's more. This is nothing compared to what else is out there, far beyond the borders of our solar system. The HD 189733b, also known as the Sapphire Planet, is more fascinating and downright scary planet. A world that seems ripped straight from a fantasy novel. HD 189733b is known for its striking blue colour. However, unlike the tranquil blue of Earth's ocean, this planet's hue comes from its deadly atmosphere. HD 189733b, located about 63 light-years away in the constellation Vulpecula, is a gas giant much larger than Jupiter. What gives HD 189733b its beautiful sapphire blue colour is not water, but its atmosphere filled with silicate particles. These particles scatter blue light in a way similar to how Earth's atmosphere scatters sunlight to create a blue sky. However, the weather on HD 189733b is anything but serene. Violent glass rainstorms occur regularly, with temperatures soaring to a scorching 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, you heard that right, glass rain. Imagine shards of glass hurtling sideways at speeds of over 5,400 miles per hour, a truly alien world. You might be wondering what can cause such nightmarish conditions on a planet. Astronomers believe that the planet's extreme proximity to its parent star is responsible for much of these harsh conditions. HD 189733b orbits its stars in just 2.2 days, much shorter than Mercury's 88-day orbit around the Sun. This close distance results in tidal locking, meaning one side of the planet perpetually faces the star, enduring constant daylight and extreme heat, while the other side is in permanent darkness. If you think that's not enough to fascinate you, Then let me tell you another amazing thing about this planet. Ready to have your mind blown? So, the intense radiation from its star causes the atmosphere of HD 189733b to evaporate alarmingly. Observations have shown that the planet leaves a trail of atmospheric particles in its wake, much like a comet. You may think this sounds like a perfect setting for a sci-fi story, but such is the nature of our universe. This phenomenon also reveals the raw power of stellar radiation and its ability to strip away the atmosphere of a planet. The discovery of HD 189733b has fascinated scientists and expanded our understanding of the diversity and extremities of exoplanets. The existence of this kind of planet challenges our perceptions and showcases the universe's ability to create environments far more hostile and bizarre than anything we could have imagined. Let's talk about another planet you may have deemed possible to exist, Kepler 10b. Discovered by NASA's Kepler mission back in 2011, this planet has pushed the boundaries of our understanding of rocky planets. It is located in the constellation Draco, about 560 light-years away from us. And what makes this planet so extraordinary is its composition and proximity to its star. Kepler 10b is classified as a super-Earth, with a diameter 1.4 times that of Earth. However, unlike the Earth, this planet orbits its star at an incredibly close distance. So close that a year on it only lasts about 20 hours. This is not all the craziness the planet has to offer, as this proximity to its star results in surface temperatures reaching a staggering 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit. Such extreme heat has turned the surface into a literal sea of molten rock. Just imagine standing on a planet where the ground beneath your feet is a churning ocean of lava, glowing bright red with intense heat. It's a vision straight out of a sci-fi nightmare, much like the Rubicon 3 shown in Armored Core. As horrifying as it sounds, the conditions of Kepler 10b have proven to be a goldmine for useful data for astronomers on the nature of rocky exoplanets. Through observations of its surface, astronomers suggest that Kepler 10b has a dense iron core, much like Earth's, but its surface is extremely different due to the immense heat from its star. The planet's close orbit results in tidal locking, meaning one side of the planet always faces the star, enduring relentless radiation and heat, while the other side is in perpetual darkness, further adding to its sci-fi-like nature. It is also speculated that iron rain could be a phenomenon on Kepler 10b, due to its high temperatures capable of evaporating iron. Essentially, iron vapor in the planet's atmosphere might cool and condense into liquid iron droplets, creating what could be described as iron rain. Kepler 10b just isn't a molten world. It reminds humanity that things beyond our wildest imagination exist in this universe. The last planet I'm going to talk about today is the WASP 12b, a planet so bizarre it'll make Rubicon 3 look like a normal world. This planet resides in the constellation Auriga, approximately 870 light-years away, and is classified as a hot Jupiter. A hot Jupiter is an exoplanet with a close orbit to its parent star, leading to extreme temperatures and unusual characteristics. Much like the other planets we've explored today, WASP 12b is somehow different. Sure, it has the similar properties of a close orbit and hellish temperatures upwards of 4,000 Fahrenheit, but this planet has something special going on. You see, WASP 12b has such a close orbit that it's being devoured by its own star. That's right, this planet is gradually being pulled apart and consumed by its sun's gravitational forces. Due to this immense gravitational pull from its parent star, WASP 12b is not only stretched into an egg-like shape, but is also experiencing a phenomenon known as tidal stripping. These tidal forces are causing WASP 12b to lose its outer layer, leading to a significant amount of its atmosphere being stripped away, earning it the nickname the Cannibal Planet. Another special feature of this planet that makes it even more fascinating is its pitch-black appearance. Unlike most planets that reflect some light from their stars, WASP 12b absorbs almost all the light that hits it, making it one of the darkest known exoplanets. This is speculated to be due to the presence of molecular hydrogen in its atmosphere, effectively absorbing all light that comes through it. The existence of mysterious and enigmatic worlds like WASP 12b reminds us of the sheer unpredictability of our universe. The idea of a planet's impending doom and its eerie darkness paints a picture that can rival the most outlandish sci-fi worlds. Such is the sublime nature of this universe, making us wonder what lies beyond. So there you have it. Let's rewind and recall some important points we've discussed so far. Rubicon 3 is a fictional scenario in which the mysterious substance known as coral promises technological marvels. In the fictional world, the planet Rubicon is defined by its extreme environment and the presence of an unbelievably powerful energy source. Our universe hosts planets that are just as extreme, if not more. Furthermore, we discuss some planets which help us compare the real and science fiction worlds. Well, the planets we discussed are few among the trillions of worlds in this vast universe, so just imagine what could be out there. As you've learned in this video, our universe is home to some truly astonishing planets that challenge our understanding of what is possible. Do you think our fictional Rubicon Prime world helps us understand the universe? Let's share your thoughts in the comments below.